Hello and welcome to Instacart, your worldwide instrument partner. This is a sound level meter offered by Testo, and this is Testo 815, which has a measurement range of 32 to 130 dB. It's very precise, very accurate, and Testo generally makes this for master devices. So this has got a half-inch electric condenser measurement microphone, and it has got a frequency range of 31.5 Hertz to 8 kilohertz. The reference frequency is approximately 1000 Hertz, and it has also got a dependency, absolute pressure dependency, and time waiting feature. The accuracy for this device is approximately plus or minus 1 dB, which is under reference condition between 94 dB to 1 kilohertz. It has got a resolution of 0.1 dB, as you can see. It works between 0 to 40 degrees Celsius as an operating temperature, and humidity 0 to 90% RH. The front keys, the fast and slow basically has a mode where the slow has a time weighing of 1 second. However, the fast is having a time weighing of 125 milliseconds. So we can do the slow or fast toggling. And this is so precise and accurate. As you can see, my voice as it is coming, it is changing the value immediately. So it has got a accessory provided along with this. At the back you see there's a mounting option provided, just in case you want to check the actual noise and keep it at a constant place. It also comes with a calibration certificate from the factory, and to change the battery or do any operation you have this screwdriver provided. The instruction manual and a box is also provided along with this instrument. Thanks for watching.